One additional feature that Google Drive has is the option to upload your files and folders from your computer. The first thing you need to do is to install Drive for your computer. That allows you to click and drag multiple files and folders and access folders and files while offline. So we're going to click that, and it asks to install Drive, or no thanks, we're going to actually install it. And as you can see here at the bottom, it is going to show us that it has been installed down here, and there it is. So we're going to click on that. And in order to install it, we have to drag the icon to the Applications folder. And now you should be able to find it when you go to your applications. So I'm going to go to, and there it is. Now open it and see what it looks like. And it says it's downloaded from the internet. Yes, I do want to open it. And the icon does not show up down here. It shows up at the top. So there it is. And we can open our Google Drive folder here. And we can view everything that we've placed in it here. Now if it's a Google Doc, it'll have an icon that looks like this, a sheet. Looks like that. There's a slideshow presentation. And it also shows us that we have some shared folders in there, and I'll explain that in a minute. And multiple folders. Now if I wanted to put something in there that I may have, for instance, on my desktop, I could click here, click on my drive again, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to just drag this into my drive. Just putting it there, and there it is, it shows up. Now your settings need to be a certain way for it to open properly. So I'm going to show you that right now. When we go over to our settings here, we need to go to Upload Settings. All of these need to be checked so that it's going to upload them to the correct Google Doc format. It's also going to convert your text from uploaded PDF and image files. And it'll give you settings before each upload. So those are all very important things. Okay, next thing I wanted to show you is when you actually are using possibly Pages. So Pages is going to look like maybe something like this. So here's Pages. And if you want to put Pages on your Google Drive, it's a little bit of a different task. So you're going to go to File. You need to first export to a Word document. That is going to let you edit it when you are in Google Drive, in addition to just sharing it with somebody if that's what the purpose is. So we'd export it to Word. You're going to click on Advanced Options. I like to make sure that mine is a 97 to 2004 compatible document, just because not everybody has the newest version of Microsoft Word on their computers. So I just like to do that because the 2007 is compatible with everything. Then I click Next. It wants to have me save it. I'm going to save it to my drive. So that's where I can do that also. Click it there, and I'm going to export. So now I'm going to close this out because I don't need it any longer. And once I go into my drive, I can just go to Recent, and I should see that file at the top of that list. So it hasn't came through yet. Let's try it one more time. And it looks like it's still right here. So it came through. The W means that it's going to be a Word file. But it should be compatible with a Google Doc. So let's take a look. Now, we might want to come here and open it with Google Drive Viewer. So if it opens like this, you're going to come up here and open it with Google Drive Viewer, and that is going to allow it to open up into a Google Doc. And I selected Google Doc just then, and here is my document all converted into a Google Doc format. When I close out of these, I'm going to close out of the last one too, and I'm going to go back here. And it's going to show me that in my drive, it has converted. We still have the old Word file, but we also have the new Google Doc file. So that could be helpful when uploading pages